In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily delete contacts on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started, and first off, tap at font icon. Then get into contacts. That will show you all your contacts. You can scroll down until you find a contact that you want to remove, or you can quickly move to the specific character by hitting at that characters at the right. Or also you can use search just in that way. You can search by contact's name to easily find the contact that you want to delete. Once you find one, you can delete it into different ways. The first way is just to hold down and add that contact until it comes up. Then just hit add, delete contact, and delete contact again. The second way is get into that contact. Then hit on edit, scroll down, and at the very bottom, you can easily find delete contact feature. You can tap on it, delete contact. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.